Welcome to Watch John Play. Today we're playing with the Forstner Contemporary Flat Link Bracelet. Now when I bought this Omega Aquaterra, I bought it on this FKM rubber strap. It's actually more expensive to buy this on the secondary market than it is the OEM bracelet. But I love this strap. It's really beautiful. It's surprisingly beautiful in person. And I was thinking I might actually end up just going with this, but I wanted to have the bracelet. I was debating between some different Forstners. They have the presidential, the bullet style, but I decided to go with the flat link because it just offers a little bit more bling. And you'll see that later. So when you get this, it comes with the fitted end links, pins for those end links, and of course the bracelet itself. And then there's a screwdriver because the bracelet has screw pins in it. It's a nice heavy bracelet with a fully milled clasp, and I'll show you that later as well. So nice box with a magnetic closure on it. Can keep that for additional bracelets of other kinds for the future. So let's get it put on the Omega here once we get the plastic off of this. So as you can see here, I have taped up the lugs on the Omega in order to protect it against scratches. And I will possibly fast forward some of this here rather than having you watch me do this, but just know that the bracelet is well protected with plastic. It's not going to scratch on you in shipping or anything. So here you can see the bracelet with the plastic off. The difference between the Forstner and the OEM Aquaterra bracelet is the middle portion is brushed and the outer edge is polished. The opposite is true of the Aquaterra. This is a fully milled clasp, and then it has a quick adjust on the inside right there that allows for on-the-fly adjustments. That is something the Aquaterra does not have, as it's a butterfly clasp. So those were some of the reasons I wanted to buy this one. But yeah, it's a really beautiful bracelet, nice heavy clasp on it, and let's get it on the Aquaterra. As you can see, this is kind of tricky to do with gloves on, but it is possible to do. So the fitted clasp fits the Aquaterra perfectly, and you'll use the pin to fit to the end of the bracelet to slide through, and then that'll go into the lugs of the Aquaterra. Also, one thing to keep in mind is the clasp on the bracelet. The end of the clasp where it closes goes toward the 6 o'clock end of the watch itself. I always have to check that with my own watches, but that's the rule of thumb, so that it opens and closes properly on the wrist. So when you do this, you want to line up the pins on either side on the top of the lugs with some pins on each side, and use your tool, your spring bar tool, and use the fork and grab the little collar on the pin, slide it down so that the pin slides into the lug and finds the hole, and then go over to the other side, push it in as well, and those should just snap into place. It can take a couple tries. Sometimes you can have better luck pushing it with the straight edge, or you can have it with the forked end. But you just kind of have to gently work it back and forth, be patient with it, and it will eventually pop in there. And once that's secure, we will flip that over and do the other side. So here you have it. It's got a little bling to it, like I said, and I really like it a lot. You can also see here how it comes straight down on the sides, so it hugs the wrist really nicely. And here it is on my 8¼ inch wrist. I've actually got it completely expanded, and there is lots of room here. So I'm going to end up shortening this with the on the fly extension, and you're going to see that I still actually have quite a bit of room in it. So what you do is you just pop that out, slide it over, lay it back in there, and there's still a little play in there, so I will end up taking out 2 links out of this. And for somebody with an 8¼ inch wrist, that's pretty rare. So here it is with the 2 links removed, and with the on the fly adjustment set all the way to the interior. So that's about as snug as I'll wear it. And here it is in the daylight. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you.